Hi. So I said I would do a video every day to try and update everybody on what's happening and different people that have been involved in this. I've had so many people reach out to me. I appreciate so much. The donations I've gotten so far have been awesome, and I greatly appreciate it. I've also had a couple people reach out that the same situation has happened to them with this person. And they are willing to testify in court, which is really awesome. I also want to explain that this has been going on for me legally since August. So we had a lawyer retainer. To retain our lawyer, it was $4,000. And then everything since then. She has not gotten a lawyer until just recently. So she has not had any of those expenses. I have. And now I have the expenses of getting a lawyer for the protective order. Yesterday, while I was doing a live video, she jumped on my live, laugh reacted it, and had saved a video, which is a gray area right now for the protective order. She made a fake profile to watch me. That's what I called the police department. They went over and spoke with her. She admitted that she made the fake profile to watch me. It's in the police report. I just filed to get it. Unfortunately, the filing department has closed today because it is a snow day, and then Monday is a holiday, so I will get it on Tuesday, and I will definitely post it and show everybody because it's public knowledge. So it was admitted that she made a fake profile just to stalk me. Cyber stalking is new. It is a gray area. Illinois does take it super seriously, which I'm very grateful for. If the emergency protective order gets put in place permanently, that will go on her record forever, because it's really serious. So having a lawyer for that is really important to me. The Davenport Police Department are also currently working with me to bring charges towards her now, because I have filed police report after police report after police report trying to get somebody to hear me, to get her to stop. The fake profiles, the fake reviews, all the things. It's just been so consistent and so taxing. And I know that there's so much money that I still have to dump into this. Money that I could be using for my daughter. They made another fake profile and are telling people that I'm a puppy mill. My dogs are my whole life. I love my dogs so much. They go to the vet for everything. I have great rapport. I have my vets, I can text them because they have been so helpful to me, and I'm a good client. I don't mess around. My dogs are up to date on every shot, all their stuff at any point. And then I help other people with their pets too. When they need help, I've always been there to help people. I am not a puppy mill. That's really shitty to hear. People just get salty and then make things up. And that's really hard. Like, hitting me in the things that matter the most to me, my child, my safety, my dogs, my husband, like, that stuff is really hard. It's hurtful. It's been emotionally draining, emotionally stressful. I'm scared to go outside. Any donations towards my GoFundMe really help. The link is in the page at the top of this page. The link is shared all over my social medias. I've gotten, if you don't want to send it on there, you're welcome to send it on my Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal. I've gotten some donations there. I super appreciate those. I appreciate the people that have reached out. I appreciate the people that have said she's done this to them. That's crazy. It's just asinine to me that somebody would stalk somebody to this point. Somebody that's a mom. Like, you should be taking care of your children, not stalking me. I have screenshots where she was asking about me to people that were working with at my studio at the time. Why? If I'm such an abusive person, why are you why are you commenting on my profiles? Why are you stalking me? Literally making fake profiles to continue stalking me. That's not putting awareness out there, that's stalking. There's a really big difference. And it turns out when she was saying all these terrible things about me, she was texting me, asking me for favors. I owned a store in town. She was asking me if she could come buy a Switch for her daughter there. Her sister or cousin wanted a baby Brezza. And she asked if I had one and if I could hold it for her if we did. The last time she was in there, she saw one. If I'm an abusive person, why would you go support the abusive person's business? It doesn't make sense and it doesn't add up. I also said that each day I would talk about some of the people that are involved. So I have a couple minutes. I only try and keep these as short as possible, but still giving detail every day. I have had a lot of turmoil with people that I've worked with. I'm very blunt, to the point. I clash with people, and that's the part of the tattoo industry, I think, is there's a difference between running a business and friendship, and that line has been really intermingled. And I think that's something that I really struggle with, because I want to be friends with people and help people. So it's really hard for me to draw a line in the sand and just be a boss. So when I become close with people and I become friends with them and then I have to be a boss, it pisses people off. So tomorrow, as long as nothing happens tonight, like last night, I will post a video about person 1, person 2, person 3, and she'll know who these people are because I'm sure she's stalking me and watching these videos. They'll know who they are because I'm sure they are too. But it's going to go down the line and disprove a lot of the things that she's saying publicly and a lot of things that she thinks she can use against me in court. Because unfortunately, all these people that are now on her side, when she stopped working at my studio, they all said she was a terrible mom. She left her children. She was a lazy person. She never showed up to work. All she did was complain. I have text messages from these people with the things that they said about her. And now they're suddenly on her side. It doesn't make much sense. So please donate. Stay tuned. This is like a long drawn out process. There's so many attorney fees that I've already paid, and I have so much more to pay, but I'm not going to give up. I refuse to give up. I will sell everything I have to make sure that I can fight this, because that's what's right. I need it to be put out there that I am not an abuser. I have been abused by this person. I have tried to be quiet and just hide, and because I've been scared, but I'm standing up for myself because I refuse to let somebody destroy me anymore. And it's the right thing to do. So I appreciate any help I get. It means more to me than you will ever know.